Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe down below so that you won't miss any of the videos that I post on a daily basis. And if you're already subscribed, thanks very much. Welcome back again. As you can see guys, my background here are the different parks and greeneries of this community. I am in the Northwest Valley of Las Vegas, and there's a lot of mountain views here guys. I just realized this is something that it is very quiet away from the noise of the Las Vegas Strip, and but it's still easy to go to the Las Vegas from this area. I wanted to show you guys this mountains here. It is very far from the video, but if you go here in person, this is technically very near. I'm gonna span it quickly here so that you can see how uh, beautiful it is here. Really nice. It's not so hot right now. It's already 6 p.m. and maybe because the sun is already going down, but really love this nature guys. Look at this, right? Love the mountain views. So today we're gonna tour a single family model home by Lennar, and as you know guys, Lennar has a trademark of everything's included. So let's take a look at the single story home of this community by Lennar here at Sunstone in the Northwest area. As you can see guys, this is your backyard here. When you live in the Northwest area of Las Vegas, this is going to be your backyard, the mountain views. The video does not justify it, but when you go here in person, it's so spectacular. So let's take a look at, yeah, this one guys. See how I expanded it very well? Yeah, and you can see the mountain views there. Literally amazing to see. So this is the model home that we will be touring today guys. It's called the Arwen. It's a single family home. As I mentioned a while ago, the mountain views are here, this area. And this is the community guys. I just wanted to give you an idea of how beautiful it is here in the Northwest area. So let's take a look at this home. I know it's going to be very nice. Alright guys, so this is the model Arwen. As you can see, that is their sales office, which is going to be the two-car garage. And here we go, model Arwen. And the side entrance is here to go to the house. Here we go, we are inside the house. Right immediately guys, you can see an open floor plan here. You have your dining area there, living room, and then your kitchen. Oops, let's see what's in here guys. Coat closet, okay. Alright. Look at this. They have this smart valve here. Ooh, I love this counter here for some reason. It's very nice. And let's go on this side of the house. Let me close the door guys, because they have this technology, this smart technology, that if you let it open, it will definitely ring and ring. So I just closed it to make sure it will not sound. Alright, so on this side is your laundry area. I just wish there is a space for the tub if you have a dog, that you can wash your dog there. And then on this area on the left side is a full bathroom. Ooh, love this sink again. Right? If this is included in the price, that would be amazing. This is the full bathroom here. right? I would prefer a lighter color floor to make it more brighter. And this is the secondary bedroom here, right? I would also grade the flooring here with a nice hardwood or 100% vinyl plank, so it's easier to clean. It's a regular size bedroom with your closet there, and then the other is right immediately here. So it's also a typical size, but I would definitely put a lot of recessed lighting here, guys. It's not expensive to put those once you build it. It will be expensive if it's already built. Ooh, nice closet area. It's a walk-in closet area for a secondary bedroom. Yeah, so what I was saying a while ago is when you're in the process of building a home, it's important to put all the structural electrical items that you would like to upgrade there, because once the house is built and all of the walls are there, it is much more expensive to put those electrical wiring. So be make sure you know what to include already, so that you won't be spending too much money once the walls are already there. I believe this is the garage, which we cannot open. They normally close that, but I wanted to show you guys here. They have this charged green cars, right? Future car charger outlets in the garage bring convenience to homeowners with electric car. As you can see, everything's included. They have this trademark of everything's included. Let's go back to the main area, right? It's a pretty small kitchen, but definitely functional, I think. All right, especially if you're downsizing a little bit, you don't really need a big kitchen. This is still a really nice entertainment space. You have your sink there that they just need to clean. And this, I think, is your pantry. But let's take a look at this. It says less noise, better privacy. Stylish riverside interior doors with satin nickel hardware feature a sound reducing core to diminish noise transmission. Wow, I didn't know that before. So this is your mini pantry here. It's not a big size, but definitely appreciated if you have one. All right, let's take a look at this main living area one more time. I'm gonna go here in this corner so that you can appreciate the openness of this main living room area. So this is your ceiling, guys. I would definitely put a lot of recessed lighting here to make it more even brighter, because the recessed lighting is just concentrated there, but I will definitely put a recessed lighting there. All right, so this one is your backyard. However, it is not a large backyard. I don't think we can go outside because they normally close this, but I wanted to see if the builder can actually provide a lot premium so that you can buy a much larger lot. So that is something that we can ask the builder. So let's take a look at this bedroom here, because I think this is the last bedroom and it is the owner's. It's a little bit darker here, and I think it's because it doesn't have that recessed lighting there. That might be the electrical for your ceiling, but I'm not so sure. So definitely add a lot of lighting, because once the walls are already there and then you add the electrical wiring, it will be much expensive. So put the electrical wiring while the house is being built. It is much more cheaper. And then I will upgrade this flooring into a hardwood or 100% luxury vinyl plank, which is 100% waterproof and scratch proof. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Ooh, they have a different design of the wall, the flooring here. Definitely nice size dual vanity sink. Hello, guys. And this is your shower. Definitely, I will upgrade this into a nice style. You have your separate toilet area here, right? There is light. And let's take a look at the it's definitely not a big size, but you can technically share this with your husband or with your wife, right? You can, husband on this area, wife on this area, and this area. So the wife will get more because that's how it is normally, guys. We have to make the ladies have more space for their clothing. All right, so let's go back to the main area here so that we can spend one more time how the main area looks like. So you have a nice seating area there, nice big windows there. So I like that. And I am at the door here, the corner of the door. And then I am also at the corner of the kitchen. Thank you so much, guys, for watching again. Again, I invite you to please subscribe down below so that you will see all of the videos that I post on a daily basis. And it's so fun to tour this home, guys. So please grow this channel with me, subscribe, hit that bell notifications on, and let me know what do you think of this house, and also what is your favorite part of the house. I would love to know, and any suggestions that you wanted to do on this house, please comment down below. Everyone is welcome, and it's all free to comment. I read all of the comments and I technically respond to them all, so please feel free to comment down below. Until next time, guys, really appreciate your support to the channel and have a great day.